just to eliminate some white, almost like just a wash, like this water would do to make it really fresh and watercolorish. So it's almost like just like this water, from the and they said this gray is always the best gray. You cannot really get it, just if just like a dishwasher paper. Yeah, I mean color. This is and you can make it a little purplish by adding a little red and some mostly blue, I think. And let's see how we need to do. So this is a risk taking. You want to take a picture before I do? Sure.
Yeah, take a picture.
Yeah.
Let's take some risk.
You will. I hope you will do.
I'm taking a picture. So
yeah.
There you go.
This is before, then we'll do after shots. And that one must be mounted to show because this is so light. Yeah, you won't really see it until you mount it, I think. So this one has a little bit blue in it.
Yeah.
And that one has a little
more.
Which one you like? It's more like
I like the one on the right.
Yeah, the blue. The blue, because we have red and a lot of red and yellow. So what's missing is the blue. And here we go. We have the blue for you. I'm very conservative, just to.
Here we go. Taking risk.
Yeah. I try to go slow, not to radical from that.
I think it adds some depth.
Yeah. I think we don't have to do the whole thing, but let's see how much we do. I'll do some warm ones on this side, maybe just near the ground, maybe.
It's like a poetry in colors.
Oh, great! I'm glad to hear that.
I think I like the risk. It's good.
Yeah, I know.
It adds something to the story.
Yeah, definitely. Atmosphere.
Yeah.
Atmosphere. Okay, we have a major groove and a small groove. Now we just add a jumper. I mean a minor groove, a major groove, and a jumper. So just connect them. And we don't want to really avoid this, so just go behind. You can have some jumper in between, so
And maybe when it dries different, or it will stay the same?
It will disappear because even you use clean water, it will show some grayness. What you don't like? Tell me. I can.
Oh no, I just wonder how it's gonna be when it dries.
Oh,
if it will stay like.
It will be very subtle.
I think so.
You don't really see that. So maybe take another picture when it's wet. But after mounting, it will be back. And the good news is we can even mount it before it gets dry. So let's see. If we have the paper ready, I'll just go for it right now. Okay.
Good job.
So we have a piece of paper right there, and what we can do is to let me see. Yeah, we can just mount directly on the silicone. See how it works. Just put the silicone on the on that, and then this paper on this. Good. Because silicone is not facing up, facing down, so it's not going to stick on your felt. Right? Just like that. Because
So
it's
we're still going to need heat, right?
Yeah. Well, we have moisture. That's good for this. So this is how we do it. Just put a parchment paper and.
We have to plug it again.
Yeah, let me plug it. So there's a outlet here. So it will be ready. Alright. So this is called method A. So we mount the painting directly onto the silicone. And you can take home and then release the paper and iron it on the backing paper. Or you can do it here, no problem. But sometimes when I travel, as I mentioned, I just keep the silicone paper on and then do the transfer afterwards. You see. The good news is after mounting, you can still paint. Because silicone does not seal the absorbency as the paste does. The paste has to add alum to prevent it from mold and something, fungus. So it seals the absorbency. It's like size, the paper. But silicone doesn't. The shikishi board or art board made in Japan, they use something like the silicone. So you can paint on it to make your own soft board. Because the paper is wet, so this paper is destroyed. You cannot use it again. It has.
You mean this paper?
Yeah, this top paper. Yeah. That's okay. It's fine. We already mounted just 2 of them. Before that, I did maybe 3 already. So this paper is very long-lasting. And see what happens. This extra margin stick on this. Yeah. Don't worry. This paper is anti-stick. And now that you have finished the painting, it's still not completely dry. We can still iron more. But I want this just give you a quick heat.
Yeah, because we put so much water.
Yeah, that's why it takes longer. And if you want, you can just increase the temperature to the next level. It will dry faster. So I go from lower to higher temperature when it's all settled, no wrinkles. I just increase the. But sometimes it can burn the painting.
Yeah.
Be careful with that. Especially you don't move. It creates that kind of shrinkage too fast. So it's not a good idea actually to use too hot temperature. So you can see that the little gray really help to bring out the air. So the white become mist. Yeah. Something like a photograph with a blurred background. Or snow even. There's something like that. It happens between the silicone and this. So after you peel off the paper, it just and then iron on a thicker support, like the backing paper we used. Yeah. There shouldn't be any problems. But don't worry about this kind of thing. When you peel off the paper, it doesn't matter because this paper will be released.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's a release paper. As long as the film stays on. Oops, you see, I cannot do that
Careful.
because this.
Don't burn yourself.
Yeah, I'm losing track. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is a mistake. If you don't have the protection piece and you use iron, it'll stick on the.
Yeah.
And then this could carry on to the painting. This is dangerous. It's still wet, but it's okay. And as long as there's no wrinkle between them, the curling is okay because the silicone paper is not meant to be backing paper. It's very thin.
Yes.
It's probably less than 20 pounds, just like computer paper.
Yeah.
So you need to release that later. If we want, we can do that before you.
Yeah.
Finish.
Maybe we can.
Yeah. You see that how it works, but at least give you an idea of how it looks after mounting. Yeah. This is method A. You mount the picture. This is for expert like me. For beginners, always mount the silicone on the backing first, and then the painting on top. Yeah. So it's a safer way, not the. Okay, I'm going to turn off the video, and then you can take a break.